Today we're out here in the beautiful Danish weather. This is actually one of the nice days, so this is perfect. But yeah, this is the early mornings. The reason why we're filming, I'm actually going to Germany today with my brother and my sister to go down to the German border, or the border between Denmark and Germany. We got this beautiful nature. We got the water out there. But yeah, guys, I think the drive is about 3 to 3.5 hours. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to film as much as possible, of course. But no, it's a trip, and I'm just gonna document it, and it's gonna be awesome. So yeah, right now let's get moving, cause my sister just called and she's ready. So let's get go. Yeah, I got a confession. Fuck me. So all the footage from the trip, the main trip, the drive down there and all that kind of got lost. I didn't have my memory card in. I hate myself. But yeah, so there's nothing really I can do about it. So right now I've come to the airport to spot some cars as I usually do. So I thought, why not see if we can spot something, and I'm just gonna film it instead. And even though the video is not gonna turn out as I hoped it would, we're still gonna get some content out. And I've just spotted a nice Porsche Macan S, very, very beautiful blue color. So yeah, here we got a beautiful Porsche Macan S. Personally, like, I love the Macan more than I love the Cayenne. I would pick a Macan before a Cayenne. Just look at that right there. Look at those rims. Yeah, I'm a massive fan without doubt. Check this thing out, guys. I've spotted it before, but look at this. 550. That is gorgeous. That's a fake one, without a doubt. Yep. That's fake. Bruh. Check what we have here. X6M. It's a rare color, but that's just massive. I don't think you can really see it as well. Man, the girth, oh, you can't really see, but yeah, awesome car. What would you have thought? BMW M5 F10. Look at that beast. Those wheels, man. So this right here is going to be very raw, but this is basically what we do when we go out and spot. I think so far today has been one of the better days. Like, we've got a Macan S in a beautiful blue color. We've got a X6M. We got an M5 F10. We got a dope 550. I'm about to check what we got down here. We usually got something. Oh, we got a beautiful 2 Series right there. Let's check. I'm just gonna hide a little bit. But I can see right down there. Yep. ML63. We got nothing special. F-Pace. I don't know if you can see it, but we got a beauty down there. Just get some autofocus on. But look at that beauty. Carrera Forest. I love that generation. Beautiful. We got an awesome S-Class there as well. Not an AMG though, but beautiful. Beautiful.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would know.
So we got another Porsche here, another S actually. We got a Cayenne S right there. Now that generation I would pick before a Macan, but that's, and then the brand new generation, but that's about it, to be fair. I don't think there's not too much more up here. I'm just gonna check real quick. Oh, we got a beautiful SQ5. They are everywhere nowadays, so it's not that special anymore, but yeah. We got a beautiful Vogue right there. So yeah, but guys, we are leaving right now. There's not much more. So real quick, I'm just gonna see if I can turn the camera around right here. So yeah, that was it. I didn't check the full airport, but I did check the most of it, and well, I will say now we are in Denmark, have to be said, and summer is starting to come closer, and it's clear that right there maybe not seem as much, but at this time of the year, especially coming from a big winter, that right there is gold. We got 3 Porsches, we got a Macan, we got a Cayenne, we got a Carrera, we got an M5, we got an X6M, we got a 550D. This video didn't turn out as I planned myself. Now I have been in Germany all day. I've been out driving for 7-8 hours, but I just want to put some content out because I want to get in the rhythm, and I kind of miss film. But other than that, I want to say thank you very much for watching.